Hi, Cali Nation. Okay, so once you have that link posted to the discussion forum, then you're all good, all right? Then also this week, you will need to write your self-evaluation. So you will find the requirements of that assignment in the blue link there. So click on that and follow the instructions and attach your self-evaluation there by Sunday night. Now, if you are unfamiliar with making videos, uploading videos to YouTube, all that kind of stuff, then I do have a folder that says Doing Speeches Online. So if you click on that, you'll find the requirements of, doing this kind of assignment. You need at least one live audience member. You need to show your audience in your recording, and the recording must be continuous. You can't stop and start. For your presentation aids, you'll need to make sure you're showing your slides on a laptop where your videoing can show that. So, for example, if somebody is holding the phone and recording you give the speech, make sure they're in a position to be able to record you beside your laptop. Some people are attaching their laptops to their computer screens so that they can show the presentation aid through the computer screen. So if you have some other questions on that, then don't hesitate to ask. Of course, your other option is to print out your slides. Just because this is our first one and this is trial and error, you can print them off and then just flip through them, show them one at a time if you need to for that. And then there are links here on making sure that you don't set your video to private and stuff like that. So that's the folder on doing your speeches online. You can go follow the links on creating your YouTube account, etc. So that you can have more information on that if you need to. Don't forget, we were working on vocal activities last time, so warm up your voices before you start your video. Make sure your voice can be heard clearly through your recording, so maybe do a sound check if you're recording with your phone or something ahead of time. Make sure the volume's up high enough for us to see. And this is going to be quite a week for us. I know there's a lot going on in all of your classes that are moving online. So pace yourself. Check in early in the week. Make a calendar. Set some mini deadlines for yourself so that you can experiment with this whole idea of recording yourself doing the speech before it comes time to attach it Wednesday night. Okay. So again, call my office during posted hours or send me an email, and I will be happy to answer any questions you have. Good luck, and hang in there. We'll get through this. Let's finish this semester strong, and go Tigers.